Hi Mortgage Heroes, Andy Cruz in Business Development, and this is Monday Mortgage Minute. Well, welcome to 2021. It is the start of a brand new year and a brand new week here at Mortgage Heroes. And this week there actually is a lot of other things happening in and around housing that don't necessarily have a direct impact on housing, but we're gonna have to watch them anyway. Some of those things are geopolitical, regarding the coronavirus and new shutdowns and how other places will affect the places that we're in. We have the electoral votes getting counted this week. We have new policies that are still on the cusp of getting approved when it comes to housing, but that will be at the end of the month, and future tells about what might happen are going to start unfolding over the next couple of weeks to see whether certain things are going to be extended, certain things are going to be terminated altogether, and that will weigh in on what housing looks like for homeowners, but also those of you who are landlords and have renters and tenants. The other thing that's important to know about this week is that we have a lot of jobs information coming out. Now, this is where it gets to be a little bit of a mixed bag. A lot of the jobs information that you look at, that we get fed through the media, has a specific definition that is tied to just one part of the labor market. But when you step back and you look at the overall labor market, there are definitely some troubling signs ahead. So be cautious about just reading the headlines and the headline only. We're going to see a new unemployment rate this week. We're going to have an ADP payroll report come out this week. Both are going to tell us kind of about the sense and the pulse of what the employment market is like, which of course then leans into what happens with housing, especially as we talk about people who are dealing with defaults, late mortgages, loan modifications, forbearance, and then these pending foreclosures that are due to start coming up and rearing up their head sometime either at the end of this year or maybe even sooner. We'll have to see. So for just this week, just starting out, here's the key takeaway. Key takeaway is rates are still in check. Even through Christmas, even through New Year's, rates are still in check. The market did not move that much at all. And if you have not yet refinanced in 2020 and you're like, shoot, I should have done it, and you're kicking yourself like you should have done it and you didn't, there's still time to do it. You can get started now, you can still close your loan in a decent amount of time, and you can still save money with a low interest rate that we just haven't seen ever in history. And starting off in 2021, we're at the same price as we were ending the year in 2020, no major changes, and still a great opportunity to save money on your home or take some cash out. Let us know how we can help you. Have a great week, and we'll be back next week with more news and information and how that helps you win in real estate. Have a great week.